Greetings, welcome back to Southpaw RC. Thank you very much for joining us. Today we've got the EX4 from Eachine. Today we have the EX4 from Eachine. Now this is a remake of the C5 Faith with a decent 4K camera and a 3K range, allegedly. So here we go, it's jet black. Lovely, lovely. There's the gimbal going. As you can see, it's got a 3-axis gimbal on there. It's also got two sonar sensors and a vision sensor underneath. Also underneath this little cap is your SD card slot, so it does record on board. It also records a low res version to your phone. Let's fold them out, let's see what we get. Oh, legs. Folding legs. Yeah, there she is. So in the front there, the white one is the C5 Faith, and behind is the Eachine EX4. And we haven't actually been able to discern any difference at all between the two drones. They are exactly the same, except that the EX4 has got a longer range and a slightly better transmitter on the transmitter. Cameras exactly the same, 4K photos, 1080p footage. 20 minutes later, and it's still not emitting a Wi-Fi signal. It's bound to the transmitter because the lights have gone green on both, but it did the gimbal calibration, but as you can see, it's not connected. It has been in the air. She's up, but she's toilet bowling. Okay, another calibration then has flown, and both the batteries have puffed, so it's not doing very well at the moment. We'll keep you posted. Okay, as you can see there, we have got the Eachine EX4. Today this is an exact copy of the C5 Faith. There is absolutely no difference other than they've changed, I think they might have changed the receiver because it's got a slightly longer range, but it's claiming it's got 3-kilometre video range. Good luck with that. It's not got 3 kilometres. You might get a kilometre out of it. That's more than good enough for most people. Certainly get 800 metres video feed and control without too much problem. So hopefully you can see there, we've got 2 green lights on the transmitter. It's quite well laid out. You've got your photo video button there, auto takeoff, and I think auto land when it's low enough to the floor. Return to home and mode. That presumably turns off the GPS. We do not want to be doing that. See how stable she is. She's had a GPS calibration and she's toilet bowling all over the place. Let's get her down. Right, second calibration done. Let's try that again. We're going to hit the auto takeoff button. Nothing. Hold it. There we go. See if it stabilises. That seems to be better. Well, it lands well. Okay, let's give it one more fucking go before I stamp on it. Okay, that's a failed drone. So, just if you're in any doubt of wanting to buy an Eachine EX4, don't. They're dog shit.